again. Karibu sana to my channel, Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. And guys, if this is your first time, you're so much welcome, because believe me, this is a home where we become better cooks. Oh guys, okay, I'm sorry guys, because I know it's been a while since I brought you some content, you know, 1 2 3 issues here and there, but I am glad that I'm able to do this once again with you guys. And I have decided to come back with a bomb recipe. As always guys, we are making pilau. But if you have been following me from the start, from when I started my YouTube channel, pilau recipe was my third recipe that I did. And guys, I feel like I have gained a lot of experience. I have understood better, you know, practice makes perfect. So guys, I feel like I want to share another pilau recipe. You know, the journey, it never ends. It's a learning process. So I feel like I have gained a lot of experience when it comes to balancing ingredients and spices to know what works best for pilau and what not. So guys, I just wanted to do this. Watch this video, then compare it with my other previous video, compare the results, and just know that anytime that I'm gonna learn something new, I'm gonna redo the recipe. So let's introduce our ingredients. With me here, I have tomato paste, I have some onions. Jameni, pilau ni vitunguu. Please use lots and lots of onions. You're going to have better results. Then I also love adding some cumin seeds to my pilau. Then over there, I have pilau masala. Then here is a paste of ginger and garlic. I have grated 3 large tomatoes. Then with me here I have my meat, which I have boiled. Then we have salt over there. Then finally guys, I'll be using this rice for my pilau. I love it, and you're gonna see the results. So right away, let's get started. And so on to our first step guys. The first thing, I'm going to add in my cooking oil. I want to brown my meat. That's enough. So when your oil heats, just add in your meat. So we are going to set this aside and cook our onions. They have browned so nicely. So I have set aside the meat, and using the same oil guys, we are going to cook our onions golden brown. So invest in your onions, and believe me, you love the results. So when your onions are almost browning, this is the point you add in your garlic and ginger paste here, because ginger actually cooks fast, so you put it the last. Okay, I'm actually achieving the color that I want. And next guys, we are going to add in our meat at this point. Nicely done like that. Next guys, we are going to add in our tomatoes. Then we are going to add in our tomato paste, roughly like 1 tablespoon. That's enough. Next thing guys, we are going to add in our pilau masala. This is 1 tablespoon, and give it a nice mix. I actually forgot to add in my cumin seeds, but they come in before you add your onions. You let them cook with the oil, okay? Then finally, I am going to add my 1 cup of rice and give this a nice mix. So we are going to add in 2 cups of water. We used 1 cup of rice, and we are going to add 2 cups of water. This is my first cup, and this is my second. Give this a nice mix, and let our food cook. This is going to be nice. Guys, we were forgetting about salt. Oh my god, but we are not late. Add in your salt to taste. Give it a nice mix, and I'm actually going to tell you how long this is going to take to cook, so let's check on our food. So guys, when it reaches this point, please reduce your heat to as low as you can, because you now want your food to cook slowly, and to make sure that this excess water is dried up and your rice is nicely done. So guys, let me show you something. When your food gets to this point, what I normally do is cover my rice with a cling film, because I just want it to cook nicely. So I just turn it around like this. Using a foil paper, I am going to cover my rice. These are just the final stages of making sure that it dries up nicely. If you don't have a foil paper, you can use any paper, but make sure it doesn't absorb heat nicely. Then I cover. Then we're going to wait for like 10 minutes, and our food will be ready. And finally, let us check on our food. Guys, I hope you've seen the difference. All the remaining water is no longer there, and our food looks amazing. Look at that. Sijui kama mnaona jameni, this food looks look at that. Mchele imeachana moja moja. Just how someone would love to enjoy the pilau. Okay, I am happy, I am contented, and finally we are going to garnish our food with some coriander, and it's a wrap for our pilau recipe. Give this a nice mix, and let us serve our food. Take some avocado, some kachumbari, alafu nipitie na nyama, na unazisindikiza zikutane hapo tumbo. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, guys. Let me just dig in right in. From me to you guys. Bye.